Hello. Right now we want to talk about the W-4 Checkup Guide, and the W-4 is for W-2 employees starting a side hustle, and this is with VRMSZTAX. Why does this matter? If you have a W-2 job and side income, your W-4 controls how much tax come out of your paycheck, whether you owe money in April or whether you will get a refund, whether you're accidentally underpaying or getting it wrong. You owe a big bill or give the IRS an interest-free loan. So what that's saying is, if you fill it out wrong, the IRS will be taking more money out of your paycheck than needed. So the money will be used as for their transgression, for whatever they need it for, and then at the end of the year, you'll get a refund. Some people think that refund is really good for them and how they plan, but let's keep going. What changed in 2020? No more allowances. The W-4 now focuses on filing status, multiple jobs adjustment, dependent credits, and additional withholding. Let's break it down simply. So what it's saying is your filing status is single, married, filing jointly, head of household. This sets your base withholding. Choose correctly, don't guess. Because if you're guessing, you may make a mistake and not do what's best for you and your household. Multiple jobs adjustments. Check this if you work more than one job. You and your spouse both work. Remember, if you skip this section, you may under-withhold, resulting in owing taxes. You deserve a life full of happiness and positivity. So you want to make the right choices. So at the end of the day, you don't want to owe. You may want to get a refund, but in the process of everything else, the best part of it is to break even. People that's out here really making money and living their best life break even. They're not looking for a refund at the end of the year, because what they're doing is using all their money to make money. They're putting their money to work, as opposed to you letting the IRS use the money, the federal government use your money, when you could do better with it yourself. Dependent care. So children under 17 or other dependents. This reduces how much tax is withheld. So you want to be accurate about that. You don't want to be guessing, and you don't want to be lying, or exaggerating, shall I say. Additional withholding. This is a power move. This is what works for the people that have side hustles. This is where side hustlers win. If you earn, a 1099 income, add extra withholding per paycheck. This prevents surprise tax bill. So what I'm saying is, let's say you make $20,000 extra a year, or $2,000 extra a month. You will want to add a little bit more being withheld from your W-2 job, because then that will reduce you having a surprise tax bill. Now remember, with your side hustle and your side business, you will be allowed to be able to do business expenses. So when you are filling out your taxes, you will include expenses for your running your side business. So remember that, and then this way you'll still get a refund or break even. Those are the things that you want. You don't want to have them taking all your money in the beginning and then you're looking for a refund at the end, or you get a tax bill because you had a side hustle. So a quick action plan. Use the IRS withholding estimator. That's on the IRS.gov site. And adjust your W-4 after income changes. So whenever you have a change of income or living situation, you should adjust your W-4 and revisit it mid-year, just in case you have something that happens in your life. You may have